VALORTEC is a waste treatment centre run by the Ortec Group. For more than 10 years, the platform has specialised in the grouping, pre-treatment and recovery of solid and liquid hazardous waste. Extending across more than 3 hectares, the VALORTEC facilities can receive up to 40,000 tonnes of waste every year. Through its consultancy, collection, grouping, optimisation, pre-treatment and recovery services, VALORTEC offers comprehensive support for producers of hazardous waste. The VALORTEC Treatment Centre is a site classified for environmental protection under the French classification system and benefits from a special customs status with regard to the reception, storage and resale of petroleum-based fuel. With an ideal location at the intersection of major highways, the platform is close to the Étang de Berre Lagoon and the Marseille seaport, offering easy, direct access by land and sea. This means that VALORTEC can easily transport and treat waste, whether it comes from France or further afield. VALORTEC's offer is aimed at manufacturers, local authorities, SMEs, collectors and providers of environmental services. The platform can handle the hazardous waste from their activities: liquid multiphase hydrocarbon waste, hazardous waste, paste-like waste, solid waste and soiled packaging, as well as chlorinated and non-chlorinated solvents. At the heart of the site, the laboratory plays a strategic role. It is involved in all stages of waste handling, from reception to recovery, including acceptance, process verification and validation of recovered products. The laboratory guarantees that regulatory requirements are met and ensures that production processes are reliable. Soiled materials and packaging, paint, corrosive products, solvents, pesticides waste, aerosols and many other types of waste are taken by the solid hazardous waste sector. VALORTEC offers a range of unloading solutions, including for shipping containers arriving from abroad. Once received, the packaged waste is analysed by a team of chemists before being sorted and pre-treated via neutralisation, grouping or crushing. Once the waste has been repackaged based on its chemical category, it is stored inside specially adapted buildings before being sent for recovery. VALORTEC has a shredder allowing the recycling of soiled packaging and materials. This unit is capable of reducing waste volume, sorting and separating recyclable material flows. In the liquid waste sector, multiphase hydrocarbon waste in the form of liquids and pastes is unloaded via pumping or gravity and then pre-treated before being transferred to a storage tank. As it undergoes screening and grit removal, foreign bodies and heavy particles are removed. The liquid hydrocarbon waste is then transferred to a 3-phase decanter centrifuge that separates the solids, water and hydrocarbons. The final treatment stage uses a vertical centrifuge to separate the water and oil to produce an alternative fuel that meets customs specifications. This can then be returned to the energy product market. Wastewater coming from the treatment of liquid waste is treated in several successive steps, using separators, coagulation flocculation systems, and finally biological reactors. These treatment steps ensure that water effluents are sufficiently clean to comply with the site's discharges standards. Thanks to its modern processes and facilities, VALORTEC can make maximum use of waste. Up to 75% of packaged hazardous waste can be recovered. In the case of liquid hydrocarbon waste, 50% is recovered for use as fuel, while 50% undergoes biological treatment. Every year, VALORTEC provides its customers with more than 11,000 tonnes of alternative fuel, produced using the waste received by the platform. VALORTEC is a responsible treatment centre that effectively manages the impact its activities have on the environment. By respecting the regulations in force and ensuring that production facilities and processes are safe, it can guarantee high-quality services while respecting the environment. Thanks to its procedures and the use of software specifically designed for the task, the platform can guarantee perfect traceability of the products handled on the site. Once the waste tracking form is issued, all the information associated with a product is recorded, all the way up to disposal. Digitization means that all the stages of waste treatment can be accurately monitored in real time. The reception, treatment and exit records are kept up to date to ensure compliance with all administrative requirements. All operations are organised to provide users with maximum reactivity, whether administrative, commercial or operational. Rigorous and responsible, VALORTEC is the partner of choice for the overall management of your hazardous waste. VALORTEC performs high-quality services while fully respecting safety requirements. Equipped with modern facilities, the platform uses next-generation processes that guarantee maximum waste recovery, full control of the associated costs, and respect for the environment.